Good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back. Thanks for joining in. Today is the 19th of Jan. Today is the Nifty weekly expiry, and the time is 10 o'clock. And the markets opened a gap down after a smooth trending day yesterday, owing to the global market scenario. And in the first 5 minutes, there was a day low breach, and which looked like a clear cut breakdown, was completely reversed. And then there was a call side spike. So my put side stop loss got hit, call side stop loss got hit. I had to dance around both the sides. And after that, the market is currently looking to stabilize within this range. So now my position looks something like this. That's mainly because the calls are super cheap and the puts can be managed is what I'm looking at. So that is why I have kept the puts slightly on the higher side. Look at this. Some puts are at 14 rupees and some puts are at 7 rupees, but all the calls are sub 7 rupees. So these puts will go away at around 15. All right. So one set of stop losses got hit, but the calls are losing like anything. And that's the reason, like, the market is increasing if we are heading down. That's mainly because the puts are kind of pricing in decent, the calls are cheap. So till the day low is breached, I'm not going to do anything, both with these puts as well as with these puts. So if anything reaches 10, so if these 17,950 puts start to trade in the double digits, probably that will be the caution sign for me to do some restructuring of the trades. But as of now, this seems pretty decent. All right, so the mark to market is improving even though we are heading down, and even though my positioning was slightly on the bearish side, that's mainly because the call side is giving up nicely. So adjustment जो भी होगा मैं बता रहा हूँ, the day low is about to get taken out, so I'll keep you guys updated. All right guys, time is 11:30 and market ने मतलब सबका ले रखा है. All right, so the first it gave a breakdown. All right, it gave a breakdown. Probably put side ka stop losses hit ho gaye, and after that sharp reversal, and it gave a breakout. एक बड़ा, and it gave a breakout above the day's high. To give you the context, this 18,200 call option, this 18,200 call option from a low of 4 rupees made a high of 20 rupees, and it is back to 7 rupees. Not even 7, like it made a low of around 5 rupees again here. So this is the kind of volatility. First put side stop loss hit away, then call side stop losses hit away. So this is majorly coming from these time based straddle sellers जो stock market पे back test करके continuously मतलब deploy कर रहे हैं कि चलो 9 o'clock पे 9:15 पे एक straddle, 9:30 पे एक straddle, 9:33 पे एक straddle, 9:43 पे एक straddle, क्योंकि 2021 में इसका मैक्सिमम अच्छा रिजल्ट आया था. कर्व फिट करके लोग स्ट्रैडल बेच रहे हैं. तो टाइम बेस्ड स्टॉप लॉस रख के, मतलब टाइम बेस्ड स्ट्रैडल बेच रहे हैं स्टॉप लॉस रख के, एंड दैट इज द रीजन द मार्केट्स आर बीइंग एक्सट्रीमली इरेशनल. दोनों तरफ का स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो रहा है. द इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर हैप्पीली मेकिंग मनी बाय हंटिंग द रिटेल साइड स्टॉप लॉसेस. पहले पुट साइड स्टॉप लॉसेस हंट किए, देन कॉल साइड स्टॉप लॉसेस भी हंट किए. तो दोनों तरफ का स्टॉप लॉसेस को हंट करके वो लोग मस्त पैसे छाप रहा है. रिटेल ट्रेडर्स who have been sold the dreams by these algo sellers and algo providers, and those people are losing money and they are in drawdown. तो drawdown तो छोड़ो, ठीक है. drawdown अगर strategy की वजह से अगर कुछ drawdown आ रहा है फिर भी acceptable है, but these drawdowns are because of this spike. स्पाइक पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, नीचे के स्पाइक पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, दोनों तरफ स्टॉप लॉस. इफ यू लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी तो और भयंकर है. बैंक निफ्टी इफ यू लुक एट दिस, 15-20 मिनट के अंदर फर्स्ट it was testing the day slow at this point. At this point, it was testing the day slow. Within 5 minutes, it breached the day's high, and within next 5-10-15 minutes, it breached the day's low. 15 मिनट में फर्स्ट लो से हाई ब्रेकआउट हो गया, एंड देन लो ब्रेकआउट हो गया, एंड नाउ अगेन इट्स ट्राइंग टू एंटर बैक इनटू द रेंज. सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ हिट प्राइस एक्शन दैट वी आर डीलिंग विद. काफी डर्टी बन चुका है प्राइस एक्शन. मार्क टू मार्केट अभी भी प्लस में चल रहा है इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल दिस, बिकॉज थोड़ा बहुत मैनेज किया था, बट नॉनदलेस फ्रॉम प्लस 60,000 बैक टू प्लस 10,000 बहुत बुरा लगता है. बिकॉज 1-1.5 घंटे तक बैठ के टीटा डी के कलेक्ट करो, एडजस्ट करो, मैनेज करो, एंड जस्ट टू गिव ऑल दोस थिंग्स इन द स्पाइक्स. आई एम सिटिंग ऑन 17,950 एंड 18,250. So I'll take additional credit whichever side the market starts to move, because this is kind of, this is so unlikely of me, right? Because I usually sit on 10-15 rupee premiums, but the lately the markets have been so irrational. So 10 rupee का options 40 touch होके ही आता है, again 10 rupee का call option भी 40, 50, 30 touch होके ही आता है. So in these kinds of scenarios, it's better to be safe than sorry. So that's the approach here. So even this will probably give me what, 1.5 rupees hedges में जाएगा, and around 4.5 है तो another 3 points. So 3 points भी आएगा तो around 0.3, 0.4% आएगा. देखेंगे, like if I get an opportunity to take additional credit, I'll do that. But up until that point, I'll just sit on these options because got nothing to do with this market. It's just completely irrational. ऐसे price action पे तो trade होता नहीं है. Right, guys, time is 2:40 and we are 20 minutes from averaging, and the market has been haywire, like haywire to say the least. The call options doubled in this move. From here, from this point, it's just like it's become a hell for non-directional traders. From here to here, the call options doubled, and from here to here, the put options 5x'd. From 6 rupees, the put options made a high of 30 rupees. That's the kind of movement that we are seeing. So it's just like the markets are all over the place. And currently I'm sitting on a 3 rupees and a 4 rupee option, and I'm up by a decent amount, because I would say that system. Okay. All right. So I'm up by a decent amount. My calls are at 150 and the puts are at 18050. So I'll be taking away these calls at 5 rupees and puts at 5 rupees. जहाँ पे जो भी 5 rupees stop loss touch होता है, I'll be taking away. Post 3 p.m. it was quite okay, because ये candle के बाद ये जो candle बनी, उस candle के बाद after this candle, the 18150 calls, they didn't spike, and at the same time the 18100 puts gave up decent, and now they are expiring worthless. So आप बोल सकते हैं कि market is at 18089 but 18100 put is 0 because of the averaging concept. आप देख सकते हैं कि 18100 is trading at 8 rupees. That's mainly because, let me try to explain the averaging concept here. So where is 1800 levels? This is 1800 level, right? So time based average, time weighted average होता है. So the market after 3 o'clock stayed majority of the time above 18100. तो इसका average ना यहाँ पे कहीं पे बन गया. Now धीरे धीरे market, even if the market is falling below 18100, the average will slowly shift here, but it will not come below 18100. So we have another half minute, another 40 seconds, and there is no way that this option will have any value, because 18100 is already trading at around $8. So yeah guys, this I'm ending at somewhere around 1.42 lakhs. That translates to somewhere around 1.2-1.3%, and fine. I mean, I'm not going to take a lot of credit. That's mainly because most of the money that came after 230, 245 funds used are around 1.08 lakhs. So almost 1.3% बनता है. And yeah, I hope you guys also had a decent expiry. कितना आया, कितना गया आपका expiry, especially if you're trading in Bank Nifty. Anyone who's trading in Bank Nifty, let me know in the comment section. आपका straddles अगर आप trade करते हैं तो how has been the Bank Nifty straddles treating you lately? That's mainly because damn, too many spikes. Like if I have to tell you this, look at this. कितनी बार market ने fake breakout दिया and उसके बाद एकदम direct नीचे, and उसके बाद फिर से ऊपर, फिर से नीचे. So I've been telling from a long time कि I'm switching to positional. तो almost सारे positions, मतलब सारे चीज मतलब finalize हो रहा है, because देखो developing a system intraday basis is very easy, because यहाँ पे stop loss आपके हाथ में रहता है. 99.99% of the times the stop losses do get hit, so you don't have to worry too much about that. But and funds also, जितना funds है आप use करके ठोक सकते हैं quantity, because the system is under control, and majority of the times you will get an opportunity to exit your positions. But when it comes to positional trading, a lot of the success from positional trading has to be attributed to money management. So it's not just कि हाँ मैं इतना ये trade करूँगा, ये trade लूँगा, iron condor लूँगा या directional spreads लूँगा, whatever it is, it all has to be factored in along with money management principles. And since I'm not going to completely chuck intraday trading, I will have to design the system in a way that it kind of complements my intraday trading. तो जितना मार्जिन मुझे चाहिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर पोजिशनल ट्रेड्स को मैं वेंसडे नाइट को ओवरनाइट ले रहा हूं, तो अगर थर्सडे को भी उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना पड़ेगा, देन विल दैट अफेक्ट माई एक्सपायरी ट्रेडिंग, विल दैट हिंडर माई एक्सपायरी ट्रेडिंग? तो हिंडर ना होने जैसे कैसे पोजिशन साइज करना पड़ेगा, अगर मॉर्निंग क्लोज करना पड़ेगा तो कैसे उसको मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर, सो दैट्स व्हाई मतलब लॉट ऑफ वेरिएबल्स, लॉट ऑफ मूविंग पार्ट्स इन दैट सिस्टम. तो जैसे फाइनलाइज होगा, डेफिनेटली आई विल बी द फर्स्ट वन टू कम एंड लेट यू गाइज नो क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. बट टिल देन थोड़ा पेशेंस रखिए. एंड या I mean, no complaints as of now, but pretty annoying day with lots of fake breakouts and fake breakdowns and options just eating stop losses both the sides. I'll see you guys over the weekend, and take care. Bye bye.